Daisy! Wait! Come back here right now! Oh my goodness, she is so fast!
Oh, Grandpa, this happens every single morning. Every single morning means it occurs every day without fail.
Let me tell you how our morning starts. Come with us to the farm. Our day begins very early. Good morning. It is 5 o'clock. Time to wake up early for the animals. The animals are waiting for us. I am putting on my flannel shirt. Flannel is a soft, warm fabric, perfect for working on the farm.
Look at the beautiful sunrise. Sunrise means when the sun appears in the morning sky. So peaceful.
Good morning, Rex. Good boy. He is always so happy to greet us. Greet means to welcome someone warmly.
Good morning, my hens. Time to open the coop. Coop is a small house for chickens. Look at them hurry outside. Hurry means to move quickly. They are excited for breakfast. Here is your breakfast, my friends. Scatter means to throw things in different directions. Eat well. I am collecting fresh eggs. Collect means to gather things together. Look how many eggs today. Oh, how adorable. A tiny new chick. Adorable means extremely cute and lovable.
Now it is time to visit the goat pen. A pen is a small fenced area where animals stay safely. I am opening the gate now. A gate is a door in a fence that opens and closes. Look at them bound into the field. Bound means to jump in a lively, energetic way. Good morning, Daisy, my sweet girl. Sweet means kind and gentle. I love you very much.
Daisy is such a gentle goat. Gentle means calm and not rough. She loves morning hugs.
Now let's visit Bessie, our cow. She is waiting for us inside the barn. Good morning, Bessie, dear friend. Dear means someone you love very much. Did you sleep well?
Now I gently milk the cow. Milk means to collect milk from a cow carefully. Here is some fresh hay for you. Hay is dried grass that animals love to eat.
Fresh water for Bessie, too. Trough is a long container that holds water or food for animals.
Good morning, fluffy sheep. Fluffy means soft and covered in thick fur or wool. Feel this soft wool. Wool is the soft, thick hair that grows on a sheep.
Enjoy your breakfast, sheep. Now let's go check on our pond and the friendly fish. Here is our peaceful pond. Peaceful means calm and very quiet. Here you go, little fish. Sprinkle means to drop small pieces gently.
Look how they swim so quickly. Swim means to move through water using your body. I love these quiet moments with you, dear.
Quiet means peaceful and without much noise. Me too, my love. Wait, did we close the goat gate? Oh no, I think we forgot. Daisy might escape.
Daisy! Wait! Come back here right now! Oh my goodness, she is so fast! Somebody stop that goat!
There you are, silly girl. Silly means funny in a harmless way. I love you, Daisy.
Today we learned coop, hurry, collect, adorable, gate, bound, gentle.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite farm animal?
Subscribe to Nana English Daily. See you tomorrow morning.